morning and welcome to Rhyd-ddu. For the Thumbs Up Photography Meetup, you see a few of the guys behind me. Been here for a good couple of hours now. Quite nice conditions actually. Quite clagged in some of the tops of the mountains there, but we are getting little pockets of light come through. Had a little bit of a mini kind of workshop with a couple of guys this morning. I think they thoroughly enjoyed it. But yeah, a few of the guys have gone way up over that hill over there, and from what I can make out on the radio is they're having a fantastic time. So yeah, really good. Morning. So yeah, done with the workshops now. Going to sort of head around, see what photos we can find. Got Steve here. You all right?
Good day, haven't we?
Been great. Absolutely brilliant.
Absolutely fantastic.
But yeah, hopefully we can.
Absolutely fantastic.
My favourite word, apparently.
Absolutely
fantastic. So yeah, we're just going to walk around now. I think try and get some shots for ourselves as well.
Yeah,
and yeah, see what we find. So last time we were here, it was completely a blue sky day. So interesting to be here in completely different conditions. We've got some real quite moody looking clouds around. It's a beautiful location and so accessible as well. You don't really need to go up the hills and stuff to get some good shots. You can stick to this lower level here. So yeah, definitely want to check out if you yeah, have want to have somewhere accessible. So let's go and see what we find. Okay, so we've come a little way up the hill here, ready to try and shoot a tree I shot last year with this wall running up to it. But I'm not going to shoot that just yet because there was some lovely light just a moment ago on one of the flanks of Snowdonia there. It's possibly well, part of the Rhyd-ddu path, I think. Sorry, Rhyd-ddu path. And there's this lovely wall just sweeping round. And I've got it almost at, well, pretty much 400 mil. But leading up to this beautiful cloud formation. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm laughing because it was a bit of a joke last night with Steve about that. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning. Just sweeping around, really simple scene. I've taken two shots. I've taken one in landscape and one in portrait. I think I'm preferring the portrait because you've got a bit of a sweep in the wall here, a bit more shape to it. But yeah, a lovely bit of soft light coming in as well. So I'm going to put this one on screen. And the tree that I'm on about, the one that I shot last year, when we had really bright blue sky days, today is looking completely different because we've got this real moody looking dark clouds. So basically you're using this wall as a leading line up to the tree. But I'll talk you through the composition when in a moment's time. So, as I told you, I'd taken those shots over there and I've just turned my attention now to this tree here with the wall leading up to it. As I mentioned, I did take this shot last year in bright blue sky days, but it was quite a nice scene because we had two little clouds either side of the tree, but we have very different conditions today. It's not working for me at the moment because well, you won't work it out in there, but there's a big bit of blue sky which is just coming into the scene, which is just ruining it a little bit. So just waiting it out to see if those clouds just move over a little bit, just to get that dark, moody cloud behind the tree. I think it should make quite a nice image. But basically, yeah, just using that wall, leading line through to the tree, which is pretty much on the top right-hand third. And what I'll probably do with this, I'll go with, I'm in portrait mode, but I'll probably go with a 4x5 crop, just to take the bottom of that wall out, because I want to make it more about the tree than the wall. The wall is just there as an aid really to lead your eye into that tree. So I'll pop this one on screen. If I get it anyway, with the clouds. But I'll pop this one on screen and yeah, see what else we can find around here. There's loads of different options. The rest of the group of radioed in. I think they're having a fantastic time. So yeah, I have no idea where they are, to be honest with you, but there's loads of different options here, especially with the old quarry works. Yeah, old buildings. It's an interesting place. So still pretty much in the same area we've been for the past sort of hour or so, to be honest with you. And I had to put the telephoto lens back on because the scene that was unfolding behind me was absolutely beautiful. Just the clouds rolling over Snowdon there, and the light just kissing the side and little pockets of it, but then also some real quite dark, moody areas as well. It's absolutely beautiful. So I've done a pano. Can't remember how many shots it was, but I think it was probably about a 12 pano sweep at about 110 mil. Oh, it's gorgeous though, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to put this one on screen now. I think we're going to probably start heading back towards the van and yeah, start making our way a little bit up towards the Rhyd-ddu path, because there's some beautiful views from up there, and also these hawthorn trees that make a beautiful foreground interest. So yeah, I think we're going to get the group together and head up over there. But this is such a spectacular location. Definitely one to check out.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we were going to make our way up the Rhyd-ddu path, but we all got back to the cars and vans, had a cup of coffee, had a cup of tea, and to be honest, we were all just a bit shattered. It's been a long weekend, great weekend, but a long weekend. So I actually think we're going to end it. But I think everyone that came on the meet today has had a fantastic time. The ones that did the little mini sort of workshop tasters, I think they've actually learnt a lot from this, and I think they've really enjoyed it. So just on that point, if any of you do want to join a workshop with either myself or Steve, I haven't got a website, but please do reach out to me directly, do like a direct message or on my Facebook page, or email me on the email address that's on my YouTube channel here, and maybe we can sort something out. But yeah, as I say, going to end it. I really hope you've enjoyed this weekend, and if you have, please give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.